सर्वेश्वर परमशिव समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the living and practicing Hindus from all over the world. I welcome all the Sarvapita Kartas, Yajamans, Sarvadarityagis, Srinahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedar, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Kailasas E-Gurukul students, Kailasas NHU students, Kailasas ministers, ambassadors, diplomats, E-diplomats, citizens, consulate generals and supporters, Mantreshwaras, Vidyeshwaras, Ganeshwaras, Lokeshwaras, Astreshwaras. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the important persons who have joined today. We have the head of the Deepam TV with us. Sri Kandan Narayana Swami is the media representative of the National Hindu Temple Federation and owner of Deepam TV. I welcome you with my love and blessings. Thank you for being here and thank you for giving the proclamation. We also have Sri Gopal Mani, All India Thuluvelalar Organization Secretary. Thank you for being here. And thank you for sending the proclamation message. We have a long list of VIPs who are on this program today. Prince Ishwar Ram Lakshman, Prince of Zulu Nation, and many other important persons are here today. I welcome all of you for being here and my blessings to all of you. As we are continuing the 44th Avatara Dina Mahotsava, I thank everyone who is sitting with us now and all those who sent proclamation letters. Only today we received more than 100 proclamation letters from all over the world. It is pouring in thousands from all over the world. heads of organizations, heads of the countries, from all corners, from all over the world, the proclamation messages are pouring. Thank you all for these proclamation messages. Let's enter into today's satsang. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Superconscious existence is your primary principle which supersedes your self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred. Your conscious sankalpa, your conscious decisions, as to manifest, they don't have death. There is only one component which is in you now can die, is your self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred. Other than your SDHD and delusions based on SDHD, nothing else as death or end in your existence. Your existence is like an eternal sun, Nitya Surya. Your self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred is like a cloud. Your delusions are like a cloud. Only they have end. The delusions and self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred, only they have end, conclusion in your life, not your superconscious existence. Sometimes my disciples, the Nitya Satsangis who come for Satsang regularly, tell me, Swamiji, we feel sometimes the same idea is repeated. It is repeated till you get enlightened. It will be repeated till you manifest it. Today, this one truth, this one powerful cognition, your superconscious existence has no end, no death, no destruction. All the conscious decisions you make as to manifest. Only your self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial, delusions from the self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial, delusions from your SDHD, only they have end. Only they conclude, only they die. Never your conscious existence or conscious sankalpa. So, just meditate on this one, cognize this one and manifest powers. You will experience intense superconscious miracles, whether you want to attract health, you want to attract wealth, you want to attract happy relationships, you want to manifest love, you want to manifest completion, you want to manifest enlightenment, you want to manifest powers, anything you want to manifest. Keep this powerful cognition today and start operating. Life will be magical, not just ordinary logical. Understand? The principle which I am teaching you, this is the royal secret through which Paramashiva manifested Kailasa itself through me. Paramashiva gave these very secrets to me and manifested Kailasa. Understand? Today is the day dedicated to my own Guru, Arunagiri Yogeshwara. I am just in ecstasy, love. Not only he is my puppy love, he is like my puppet love. Let me define this word puppet love. Puppet love means, this word I created on my own, my contribution. Puppet love means how I can play with my own puppets as I want. I will love it when I want. When I need to attend to something else, I can just keep it. It will be there as I want. When I come back and have time, I can again pick it up and start spending time with it and do all my love, care, everything. It will never complain. Oh, yesterday you spent 2 hours with me. Today you did not even touch me. It will never complain. Today I can dress him up like a king and play. And for next 1 week, I may not even see him if I am busy with something else. Absolutely no expectation from me, no commitment from me, but extreme tyaga and giving for me. This is what I call puppet love. He is literally like a puppet. Understand? Listen to this very clearly. I am not saying I am puppet in his hand. He is puppet in my hand. But in reality, much later I realized in my puppet love with him, I became puppet in his hand. Without even me knowing, I have become puppet in his hand just by his extreme sacrifice. First, he started becoming puppet in my hand, so I fell in love with him so much. Simply without even my knowledge, I became puppet in his hand. Understand, my Guru is not just puppy love for me, he is even puppet love for me. He is my Barbie doll. I can dress up as I want, play with him as I want, and even leave unattended as I want, when I want. Never he complained, never even showed any remote corner of his heart, any expectation, sadness, or nothing, no negativity. In the modern language, if I have to tell, I can block him anytime I want, and I can restart my conversation, unblock him and restart my conversation. He will behave as if nothing has happened. Most sweetest, not only puppy love, puppet love. And I tell you, in the initial level, I felt he is my puppet. Through his sacrifice, extraordinary love, I fell for him so much. So much. I lost my individual identity in him. I did not even realize long before I became puppet in his hand. நாடகத்தை நடத்துபவனே இங்கு நாயகனாகவும் மாறி கூத்தனே இங்கு கூத்தையும் நடத்தி செய்யும் பரமசிவ லீலை. Understand this truth. Love has a capacity to break all the barriers, not just among the human beings, all the 14 lokas up and down. Your love, if you build consciously love, using that, you can go up to Kailasa or Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Patala, down 7 or up 7. all 14, you can go just by using your love. Love is the only conscious quality which has a capacity to push you this side 7 or this side 7, any loka. Understand? If you are a great tapasvi, you can go up to only tapoloka. If you are a great brahmanyani, you can go only up to brahmaloka. And if you are a brahmanyani, you will neither want nor can go to Patala. If you are a great tapasvi, you will neither want nor you will go to Mahatala, Sutala, all these lokas. The only thing which has a capacity to make you go to all 14 lokas is love. Love. I tell you, he literally gave me that space where I used to feel he is my puppet. I always feel very secured with the disciples who feel I am their puppet. No, I am really telling you. This is the honest truth I wanted to share with you all. If some of my disciples feel inside their heart I am their puppet, I feel so secured with them because they will feel so much of joy and love being with me. Without even their knowledge, they will become my puppet. Because that is what happened with me and my Guru. He gave me such an extraordinary love. I felt Arunagiri Yogeshwara is literally my Barbie doll, my puppet. I can do whatever I want with him. And still logically I can't explain how this kind of assurance, that feeling secured, feeling that he is my puppet happened in me. I think it is more like due to his body language, the way he behaved with me, the way he spoke to me. I just know he's like my puppet. How I feel with Skandamata, my papa. She'll just do what I say and she'll be like as I want. Same way exactly I felt with my Arunagiri Yogeshwara. Understand? When I felt that, his love just penetrated into me and my love penetrated into him. It broke all the barriers called identities, insecurities, fear of future, fear of his existence, how he will be, who knows, why he is with me, why he came to me, all that are my fear of my own future, insecurity, how I will be if I get associated with him, if I surrender myself to him, if I give myself to him. All that became irrelevant. If you feel I am your puppet, be assured you have a relationship which I had with my Guru Arunagiri Yogeshwara. The Guru Sishya Parampara is going to continue through you. You are going to be my successor. Because that is the way I felt with my Guru. It's not logical. Logically, only Guru is supposed to feel the disciple is puppet. But in reality, it doesn't happen that way. A disciple feels Guru is his puppet. And suddenly, in that feeling, he loses himself into Guru Without even disciples' knowledge, disciple has become a puppet in the hands of Guru. That's the way exactly it happened in me. I am telling you the secret as it is because today is my Guru's day and I want to be integrated to him and integrated to you. It looks very illogical. It may even be very difficult for people to digest. But I am not talking to maintain a pseudo dignity. I am talking to maintain and keep my integrity to my Guru. And what happened between me and him, how it happened, I have to tell my disciples so that that can start happening between you and me. Please listen. If you read intimate reminiscences of Ramakrishna and Vivekananda, you will simply realize Ramakrishna was puppet in the hands of Vivekananda. And Vivekananda just lost himself. Without even knowing, he became puppet in the hands of Ramakrishna. Samartha Ramdas and Shivaji, Ramakrishna and Vivekananda, Aurobindo and Aurobindo mother, all this I can give as the ideal Guru-disciple relationship, where the disciple experienced Guru as the puppet in their hand, but without even their knowledge, they become puppet in the hands of Guru. So that the border, commanded, commander, commanded, these three has disappeared, dissolved. The commander, commanded, all this just disappeared. I can give you some of the most powerful examples of this Guru-disciple relationship in Hindu tradition. Nandi and Paramashiva. Devi Meenakshi had a disciple called Sumati. Sumati and Devi Meenakshi. Even Krishna and Arjuna, Naranarayana. In the modern day, Bhagavan Swaminarayan and his disciple Akshar Purushottam Maharaj. And Aurobindo mother. I tell you, love can just open all gates of all lokas. Up, down. Tyaga can open only up to Tapoloka. Brahmanyana, enlightenment, can open only up to Brahmaloka. All the punyas, good actions, dana dharma you do, charity you do, yaga yajnas you do, can open only up to Swargaloka. But consciously developed love, consciously decided love, can open all 14 and beyond. That's the beauty and power of conscious love. See, I am giving you cosmic secrets. I tell you, inside your heart, deeply, secretly, secretly, if you are cherishing, I am your puppet, be assured you are my disciple, and through you, the Guru Shishya Parampara is going to continue. You are going to be the living stream of me. Whoever feels I am your puppet, you can be rest assured you are inheritor of Paramashiva. And what I got from my Guru, Arunagiri Yogeshwara, you are going to receive through me. And you are going to continue this Guru Shishya Parampara. Not just getting enlightenment, not just getting powers. You are just going to be inheritor of everything, of me. What I got from my Guru, Arunagiri Yogeshwara, everything. Because I felt Arunagiri Yogeshwara is my puppy love and puppet love. The way I dress him up, just like how deities we dress him up, same way only I'll dress him up. He used to be well built and large size body, very beautiful and handsome, like a muzzled and well built. But masculine and feminine together. So I'll take my father's new dhoti and make them into two pieces, one for his hip and one for his angavastram. Like a towel. Whatever I can get, I'll take it and literally like a dress him up and keep the food, feed him. The way he spoke to me, the way he behaved with me, even though I know he is Paramashiva himself, in my deep heart, inside my heart, where I feel about me in that space, my most private space, the most secret chamber of my heart, I felt he is my puppet. That made me feel open my identity to him, through which I lost me in him. Without even knowing me, I became puppet for him. Then we lived happily ever after. That's a story. That's the way the story should be narrated. After that, we lived happily ever after. I tell you, inside deep my heart, the kind of the assurance I had, the kind of the security I had through his words and behavior, he made me experience more than his grandeur. I experienced intimacy, assurance. See, it's not that he was not showing me his grandeur. He was showing. He could just like that bring planets to teach me. He could do just like that anything. And he was doing. He was doing the whole thing. But I intensely felt his intimacy as the core cognition of relationship between me and him. His grandeur was only next. The grandeur is greatness could never make me feel is away from me. The foundation, the first principle of my guru-disciple relationship, my relationship with my Arunagiri Yogeshwara, my guru, is intense intimacy and feeling assured, extremely feeling assured that he is my puppet. If I have to nickname him, I will only call him as Puppet Baba, Bholenath. My Puppet Baba, my Bholenath. Even now I feel I can describe him as I want. He will just change himself as I describe him. Even now I know he is having a sweet, cute smile, blushing, listening to me describing him as a Puppet Baba and Bholenath. This feeling connection made me lose what I call as my territory or identity, what you all call as you. The consolidated, solidified your identity that opened up in me, that melted down in me. There was no borders. My innermost secret space opened up to him. And without even my knowledge, I became puppet in his hand. There was no struggle. There was no plan. There was no plan A, plan B, plan C. There was no fear, anger, greed. There was nothing. I did not even know when I became puppet in his hand. If you ask me, I don't know actually. I only remember me feeling his puppet for me. I don't even remember when I started becoming puppet in his hand. I remember there was a period I used to feel his puppet in my hand. But I don't remember when exactly I became puppet in his hand. Much later, much after, I realized long before I became puppet in his hand. Hey! Meditate on this. Internalize this. Understand, even now, I have the same feeling connection with my Atmalinga. I feel is Bholenath, my puppet Baba. See, Parartha Linga is different. I never behave like a puppet Baba with the Biddi Nityanandeshwara. He is Parartha Murti. But with my Atma Murti, I always feel he is my Bholenath, he is my puppet Baba. So essence of today's satsang is Paramashiva, my Bholenath, my puppet Baba. If you feel he is your puppet Baba, you can even consciously start building this relationship, building this love. It's not that you already have to feel, because see, I spent a lot of time with Arunagiri Yogeshwara, so it got built inside me. Maybe many of you are only starting your relationship now, guru-disciple relationship. You can consciously start experiencing, making it happen. If you feel already, or if you decide to feel, I am your Bholenath, your puppet Baba, be assured you are going to be my inheritor. If you are already feeling I am your puppet Baba, you are already my inheritor. If you consciously decide to experience I am your puppet Baba, be very clear, you are going to be my inheritor. Long before, without even my knowledge, I just became puppet in his hand. Then we lived happily ever after. Meditate on this. Bholenath, puppet Baba. If you feel I am already your Bholenath, I am your puppet Baba, put this as the essence. My Bholenath, Paramashiva, my puppet Baba, Paramashiva. If you decide, from now you are going to consciously build this relationship. Put it, I consciously decide to develop the love relationship with my Guru, my Paramashiva, my Bholenath, my Paramashiva, my puppet Baba. So with this, I move to the next segment. The proclamation messages which is pouring from all over the world. Hundreds and hundreds. I'll share few with you all today. Here are some of the proclamation messages. First, S.R. Tevar, Hindu activist in Tamil Nadu and General Secretary of All India Movendar Munnani Kazhagam. Thank you, Shri S.R. Tevar, for giving your proclamation. Thank you, Ji. And Morogoro, Tanzania, Mr. Adam Kulait Ole Morabu, Secretary for the Parakyo Pastoralist Traditional Institution and Community, which has millions of population. Thank you for your proclamation, Mr. Adam Kulait Ole Morabu. Thank you. Rahu, Director at AV Solutions, Kuala Lumpur. Thank you for your proclamation message. Ma Bhanumati Patel, CEO of Champion Hotels, Oklahoma City. Thank you for your proclamation message. Sri Champak Patel, CEO of Champion Hotels, Oklahoma City. Thank you for your proclamation message. Arshil Patel, President of Champion Hotels, thank you for your proclamation message. Jeff Penner, Director at Champion Hotels, thank you for your proclamation message. Sri Nitya Muktananda and Ma Nitya Muktikananda, Head of the Los Angeles Kailasa, thank you for your proclamation message and blessings. Michelle Kumar, CEO of Priya PR, thank you for your proclamation message and blessings. Pandit Narad Gozin, Trinidad Tobago, Hindu priest, astrologer and propagator of Hinduism in Trinidad Tobago, thank you for your proclamation message. Harinarayan Prabhavati Parsad, thank you for your proclamation message from Trinidad Tobago. Harinarayan and Prabhavati Parsad, thank you for your proclamation message from Trinidad Tobago. Sumati Enal, Managing Director at Ancient Origins Company Limited, thank you for your proclamation message. Manitya Paramananda, Farmer Contracts and Coordinator, thank you for your proclamation message. Ma Parbati Kulanjan Ramlal from Trinidad Tobago, thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. Bhavish Jugurnath, thank you for your proclamation message from Mauritius. Professor Datto Sri Dr. Bharani Karunagaran, Founder and Group CEO of Destinal, thank you for your proclamation message from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Datin Valini Subbaya, Syarikat P. Subbaya, thank you for your proclamation message from Penang, Malaysia. Nantang Jiangsu, China, Yu Yun, Head of China Spark Education, thank you for your proclamation message. Sri Battumalai Arunachalam, President of Mukkulattur Mandram, Seremban, Malaysia, thank you for your proclamation message. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Gayatri Devi Vadivelu, thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. Tilaga Battumalai, thank you for your proclamation message. Lee Hui Tech, thank you for your proclamation message from Kuala Lumpur. Dr. Vigneshwaran Subramani, thank you for your proclamation message from Kuala Lumpur. Dr. Uma Devi, Ministry of Health, thank you for your proclamation message. Ah Soong Yang, Auditor from Kuala Lumpur, thank you for your proclamation message. Nick Tang Weng Siang, thank you for your proclamation message. Ma Nitya Buddhananda, thank you for your proclamation message from Kuala Lumpur. Om Gi Chun, thank you for your proclamation message. Lee Kim Har, thank you for your proclamation message. Diplomatic Officer, Prime Minister's Department, Kuala Lumpur, thank you. Oim Edgenta Bhatt, Chartered Engineer. Govindan Rajagopal, thank you for your proclamation message from Kuala Lumpur. Kamalesh Ulagan, thank you for your proclamation message from Kuala Lumpur. Miss Leela Belatkar, thank you for your proclamation message from France, CEO of PositiveCom LB. Patrick Dexian, CEO of X Prime, Thank you for your proclamation message from France. Mr. G. Bhaskar, Kanchipuram, President of Sekkizhar Kalvi Panbaattu Kazhagam, thank you for your proclamation message. Kanyakumari, Mr. E. Ramachandran, General Secretary of Kanyakumari Mavattam Velalar Peravai, thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. Muthu Ganesan, Thondai Mandala Mudaliyar Munnetra Sangam, thank you for your proclamation message. Kanchipuram, Mr. K. Elilan, Tiruvallur மற்றும் திருவண்ணாமலை மாவட்ட அனைத்து முதலியார் சங்கம், thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. K. Meenakshi Sundaram Pillai, President of உலக தமிழ் சைவ பெருமக்கள் சங்கம், thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Sekkizhar Kalvi Panbaattu Kazhagam, Chengalpattu, thank you for your proclamation message. Subramanya Kumar, Panditaradhya Swami Mat, thank you for your proclamation message. Jagadish Guruji, Rajeshwari Satsang, Warangal, thank you for your proclamation message. Srimati Bharati and Sri Muthuswamy, proprietor of Sri Vedapurishwarar Alayam Trust, Arungundram, thank you for your proclamation message. Sri K. Tirunavukara Shivacharyar, Sri T. Lavakumar Shivacharyar, Sri Shani Neela Devi Temple, thank you for your proclamation message. Sri Shiva Marimuthu Adigalar, Tiruvarur, founder Arur Tiruttondar Madam, group of Shiva Dharma, thank you for your proclamation message. Sri Shiva Dandabani Swamigal, Tiruvarur, State Secretary, Tamil Nadu Hindu Temple Federation, thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. S. Murugadas, Tiruvarur, founder of Inia Spiritual Centers, thank you for your proclamation message. Sri Shivadandabani Swamigal, Agathya Radhinam, Gurumulavar, thank you for your proclamation message. Tirumani Selvam, Sembur Visva Hindu Parishat, thank you for your proclamation message. President of BJP Ward 149 Mumbai and founder of Vivekananda Welfare Association, N. Balasubramanian, thank you for your proclamation message. Balaji Hindu Munnani, Ambattur City President, thank you for your proclamation message. Mrs. Bhamini Bhujan from Mauritius, thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. Amudut Singh, Mauritius, thank you for your proclamation message. Mr. Sailesh Kumar, President of Kailasa in Mauritius, thank you for your proclamation message. Mrs. Pushpa Devi Kopi, President of Kailasa in Mauritius, thank you for your proclamation message. Markham, Ontario, Canada, Ravi Tirun, CEO at Zoom Business Management, thank you for your proclamation message. Sushi Tirun, Head Enterprise Database Service, thank you for your proclamation message. Shagiri Tirun, CEO of Pro Innovation Technologies, thank you for your proclamation message. Nitesh Singh, co-founder and CTO of Narc Digital, thank you for your proclamation messages. Ma Lalitambikananda, thank you for your proclamation message. Ivana Grebanar, thank you for your proclamation message. Jessel Patel from Pennsylvania, thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. Saraswati Jampala, board certified internist, internal medicine, Georgia, USA. Thank you for your proclamation message. Sri and Manitya Shraddhananda, Kailasa, Seattle, Mahant. Thank you for your proclamation message. Vikas Agarwal, thank you for your proclamation message from Seattle. Andrea Hendrick, co-founder Enlighten Tutoring, Washington, USA, 11 or thank you for your proclamation message. Rani Muthukrishnan, founder Living Sattva, thank you for your proclamation message. Aryan Skoll, thank you for your proclamation message. Deva Ananda, founder of Surya Property Solutions, thank you for your proclamation message. Shivakumar Arulambalam, Olympia, cardiopulmonary physician, thank you for your proclamation message. Jennifer Shrestha, founder Nizas Ventures, thank you for your proclamation message. Professor Anju Gupta, thank you for your proclamation messages. Sanjay Vikaria, Managing Director, thank you for your proclamation message. Aditya Sanghavi, thank you for your proclamation messages. Kumaraswamy Vidyagaran, thank you for your proclamation messages. Mr. Kalul Ahmed Mukasa, lawyer from Kampala, Uganda, thank you for your proclamation messages. Sonia Patel from United Arab Emirates, Dubai, thank you for your proclamation messages. Ma Nitya Premayananda, Sri Nitya Chidambarananda, head of the Kailasa in Dubai, thank you for your proclamation message. Tagrin Yonis, legal consultant from Dubai, United Arab Emirates, thank you for your proclamation message. Nuzra Al Ansari from Dubai, thank you for your proclamation message. Nayan Kumar Vrajlal Jani, thank you for your proclamation messages. Shyam Prasad from Dubai, thank you for your proclamation message. Nidal Yones, thank you for your proclamation message. Ahmad Abau Khalil, Dubai, United Emirates, thank you for your proclamation message. Miss Rula Nazir from Dubai, United Arab Emirates, thank you for your proclamation message. Vimala Nambiar from Dubai, United Arab Emirates, thank you for your proclamation message. Dr. Tirungnanam Ganesh, Chairman and CEO, and Amita Ganesh, Director, Miss Purnima Ganesh, Director, Buraimi, Sultanate of Oman, thank you for your proclamation message. Canadian composer Lenka Lichtenstead, vocalist, producer, band leader, Canadian Folk Music Awards Traditional Singer of the Year. Thank you, Miss Lenka, for your proclamation message. Manitya Kamalatmananda, thank you for your proclamation message. Press Slovakia, Bastag Op, thank you for your proclamation message. Lucy Stekova, thank you for your proclamation message. Stanislav Farda, thank you for your proclamation message. Mary Mazgova, PhD, Lecturer, Ministry of Health, thank you for your proclamation message from Czech Republic. Andrea Siladiova, thank you for your proclamation message from Czech Republic. Christian Jose, Publisher Supreme from Czech Republic, thank you for your proclamation message. Mitesh Lal, Sua Fiji, Managing Director of Pola Designs, thank you for your proclamation message. Indra Chand, Managing Director of Shakti Trendy Fashions, Sua Fiji, thank you for your proclamation message. Dimitri Kuzinets, New York City, thank you for your proclamation message. Monica Sulender, Operation Development Manager, thank you for your proclamation message. Ubendra Bhatt, Psychiatrist, thank you for your proclamation message. It's just continuing. I have a lot more to share with you all. Today with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailas of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.